In continuation of verification of law of conservation of mass, today we will discuss few sample problems based on law of conservation of mass. So the first one is sample problem 1 is sodium carbonate reacts with ethanoic acid to form sodium ethanoate, carbon dioxide and water. In this experiment, 5.3 gram of sodium carbonate reacted with 6 gram of ethanoic acid to form 8.2 gram of sodium ethanoate. So the 2.2 gram of carbon dioxide and 0.9 gram of water show that this data verifies the law of conservation of mass. So for that, just first we have to see to calculate the mass of reactant and products separately. In this experiment, the 5.3 gram of sodium carbonate reacts with 6 gram of ethanoic acid to form 8.2 gram of sodium ethanoate. So, first one is sodium carbonate plus ethanoic acid. Both are reactants gives sodium ethanoate plus carbon dioxide plus water, right? These are products. Now already we know that now the mass of reactants is equal to mass of sodium carbonate and mass of ethanoic acid. Their mass is 4.3 plus 6, that is 11.3 gram. Now the mass of products, that is sodium ethanoate, carbon dioxide and water are products. So mass of product is equal to mass of sodium ethanoate, mass of carbon dioxide, mass of water, that is 8.2 plus 2.2 plus 0.9 gram. Now if we add 5.3 plus 6, that is 11.3. If we add 8.2, 2.2, 0.9 gram, it will also come 11.3 gram. It means that total mass of reactant is equal to total mass of product. Total mass of reactant is 11.3 gram. Total mass of product is 11.3 gram. It means that the mass of product and mass of reactant are equal. So the given data verifies the law of conservation of mass. Now next is calcium carbonate decomposes on heating to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. When 10 gram of calcium carbonate is decomposed completely, then 5.6 gram of calcium oxide is formed. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide formed. Which law of chemical combination will you use in solving this problem? Actually, this problem is to be solved by using the law of conservation of mass in a chemical reaction. In this reaction, calcium carbonate is a reactant, whereas calcium oxide and carbon dioxide are product. But from the law of conservation of mass, we know that mass of product is equal to mass of reactants, right? The mass of calcium oxide plus mass of carbon dioxide is equal to mass of calcium carbonate. Now, mass of calcium oxide plus mass of carbon dioxide is equal to mass of calcium carbonate, right? It means that 55.6 plus mass of carbon dioxide, which we have to find out, is equal to 10. It means that mass of carbon dioxide is equal to 10 minus 5.6, that is 4.4 gram. It means that the mass of carbon dioxide formed is 4.4 gram. Please children, practice these both sample problems. Thank you.